Hello. Hi there. Just want to talk about the KCI Catalog today and how to find books. So once you're on the KCI webpage, you want to click on Library and then search the catalog. And here we are at the Library Learning Commons. And so from this portal, you can access all kinds of stuff. All the books that we have in our library. You can check out the virtual library. There's all kinds of databases, all kinds of book lists, tons of stuff you can do. For today, however, I just want to talk about how to find books in our library. So the first thing to do is just check out and make sure that Kitchener-Waterloo Collegiate is on here. Okay. If you're going from your Chromebook, it won't be. You have to select this. If you're in one of our desktops, it automatically comes up pure gold. Okay. Keywords is always a good way to start, especially if you're not exactly sure what you're after. So for example, if I typed in something like, I don't know, scary monsters, and we'll just see what happens. Okay. And so here's what we have coming up here. If you find something that says connect to resource, that means it's a video resource, it's an ebook, something we don't actually have on our shelves. However, if you look down a bit further, it's another connect to resource, and we're going to get a lot of hits like that initially because it's a pretty vague topic. However, here we go. Here's one that's in our nonfiction section, 100 Scariest Things on the Planet. You tell it's nonfiction, of course, because there's a call number, and that'll indicate where it is on our shelves. Okay. If you recall the lessons from the Dewey Decimator, you'll understand how to find things in the nonfiction section. Okay. If we scroll down a bit further, let's just see if there's anything in fiction. So far, we have quite a few e-resources. Okay. Same thing going on here. So that's mainly because we're in this section called keywords. If you change this to, for example, subject, now let's see what we get. Oh, wait a second, while it does its bit. No match is found, because that's a little too specific. And same thing if you go into title. We're not going to get any hits unless there's a direct, okay, there we go, scary face picture day, not bad. All right, so what you want to do is make things a little bit more generalized. Okay, so we'll just say monsters. And as far as title goes, we'll have to see what comes up. Here we have a few more, another one in the nonfiction. Another thing in nonfiction, but we're not going to get tons and tons of really specific things. And here we get into some where monsters is in the title somewhere, and these are in the fiction section. Of course, fiction is located around the library alphabetically, so it's pretty easy to find as well. So that's just a little bit about how to use the catalog. There's many different ways to go about it, but the key thing is keywords, title. If you know the author, you'll get there right away. If you know the title, of course, you'll get there right away. But otherwise, you're going to have to check a few things out. So hopefully this has been helpful, and I'll come back with a couple more lessons a little bit later on. Over and out.